Okay, we've arrived in Kotor, except we're in a very small village outside of Kotor, which I cannot pronounce the name of. Wahoka? Oh no, it's not that. I'll put the name on the screen. This is a shared entrance. We're up one flight of stairs, shared entrance. I think we've rented a house almost in an apartment. It's massive. So there's a bathroom here that is very big. Washing machine, brilliant. Master bedroom. Big rooms. This is a dining room, sitting room, kitchen, and then you've got a lounge as well. Massive place. I think it's 90 square meters, so like a small house. And then out here is a balcony. That is our apartment in, let's call it Kotor for now. It's about 20 to 25 minutes on the bus into the old town, which we'll do during the week. Alright, cheers, bye. Another big cruise boat came in this morning. We're sitting on our deck having breakfast, watched it cruise in. We just walked around the road a little way to the next village. And around here, that's our village just coming into view now. It's Sunday morning, just been for a walk to the nearest village, and now we're going to pop down for a swim at the beach. This is the way down to our beach here. This is our little local village beach.
Трое на нас.